a proud supporter of Operation Barbecue Relief.
Slow smoke pulled pork, something everybody loves, everybody wants to do. This recipe today, we're gonna go through it. I'm gonna show you how to do it step by step. Starts with a dry rub. The dry rub starts with 1/4 cup of brown sugar. To that, 1 tablespoon Lowry seasoned salt, 1 tablespoon garlic powder, 1 tablespoon onion powder, 1 tablespoon powdered ginger, and 1 tablespoon black pepper. And just mix it up really well. Yeah, the brown sugar seems a little lumpier than usual today, so let's break all these up. All right, now we've got about a 1/2 cup of dry rub here in all. You want to use it all. I got a 6.5 pound pork shoulder here. Bone in, fat cap on. You want to season with all the rub. Wrap it in cellophane and put it in the refrigerator anywhere from 24 to 48 hours. You really want to let those seasonings get into the big cut of meat. It's going to take that long. But right here, I've got one that I seasoned off 2 days ago, and it's ready to go. Now I've already got my grill set up for indirect heat. That's hot charcoal in the back part of it and a drip pan in the front. You want to be sure and add water to the drip pan. That water will help soak up the heat, regulate it, so it's easier to maintain the temperature of the grill. Now we got the pork shoulder on and the wood on. There's 2 methods of cooking pork shoulders, low and slow, 225 to 250, or we can do hot and fast, about 325 to 350. Today I'm doing hot and fast because the pork shoulder doesn't care in the end. But we've got this on, gonna maintain the temperature about 325, shutting my bottom ends down to about halfway, and the top ends I'm gonna shut down to almost completely, try and restrict the airflow. Now a pork shoulder this big is probably gonna take anywhere from 5 to 6 hours or longer. But every hour you want to go back in, add a little more charcoal, a little more wood to it, and maintain the temperature. So just check on it periodically. Had this on about 5 hours now. It should be getting close to the temperature, so let's go ahead and check it. Now we're looking for an internal temperature of about 200 to 205 degrees. When you're cooking large cuts of pork, when you get an internal temperature of 180 degrees, it's called the stall. And that temperature is going to sit there for quite a while. That's when all those fats and connective tissues are breaking down. So you can either just let it do its own thing, take a little more time. You can wrap it in tinfoil if you want, and speed it up, or you can add a little more heat to it. Today, I just let it do its own thing and had a couple extra beers. But, yep, we're 205 degrees, so this is good to go. Now you want to cover this in foil. You want to let it rest for about an hour before you tear into it and actually make pulled pork. Right now it's a little too hot. Try to put your hands in this now. It's going to be a little painful. Just take your time, give it an hour. All right, this has been resting for an hour now and we're ready to pull it apart. Now check this out. Fall right off the bone. That's the good stuff right there. That's when you know it's done. But now we're just going to tear into it, take it apart. Pull this fat cap off, set it aside. No, you can definitely see the smoke ring in that. And there we have it, slow smoke barbecue pork. One of the keystones to barbecue. Serve this on buns, with, without barbecue sauce, entirely up to you. If you want a little coleslaw to it, a lot of people in the country do that, but it's entirely up to you. Whatever you want to do, it's going to be great. Thanks for watching, and please help support your local food bank.
Tom, we're rolling.
All right, welcome back. Hold on. Oh, almost. Yeah, too much beer. All right, let's do this. I'm ready. All that food and that beer's killing me. We ready? All right, let's go and pull that off. Hold on a second. Keep rolling, keep rolling. Now you want... Tongs come in handy. Audio check. Mosquito. Check, we're good to go. Now we've had this on for about an hour, so we're gonna have to add a little more charcoal and wood to it. So let's go ahead and check on it.